A man fires a rifle for many years, and he goes to war. And afterward, he turns the rifle in at the armory, and he believes he's finished with the rifle. But no matter what else he might do with his hands, love a woman, build a house, change his son's diaper, his hands remember the rifle. A man fires a rifle for many years, and he goes to war. And afterwards he comes home, and he sees that whatever else he might do with his life, the house, love a woman, change his son's diaper, he will always remain a jarhead. And all the jarheads, killing and dying, they we are still